Hello, friends, enemies, strangers, kind mothers, and those in the bardo. As a Buddhist introduction. Oh, but this is not going to my Buddhism for Happiness channel. This is going to Hyrule Tech Support. I'm looking for videos that show the device that I'm trying to fix. So here's the video that I uploaded earlier a few days ago. That's my channel, Hyrule Tech Support. So I have come on, I can't hear it. It's called a Microsoft Surface Studio 2 Plus. And here we have it on a video. Yes, I was watching this video from iFixit Repair channel. Shows you how to take it apart. Shows how to take it apart. That's what I said. I followed the instructions.
Equipment anti-static risk graph.
I didn't do that.
Uh-oh. Detailed step-by-step instructions and clarification for terms and references.
There's a service manual. I downloaded it. I haven't looked at it.
The service guide has more detailed step-by-step instructions and clarification.
Let's see if I can find it. If I go to not pictures but downloads. Yes, here it is. The service manual. Is it opening? There it is. PDF gear I'm using. Maybe I should lower the... So there's the service manual. I don't like that this doesn't have a thingy to scroll. It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, it does. So I can go like this, scroll down to see what it's got. Be extra cautious not to damage connector cables. Yep, I didn't damage them. And removing the thermal module. It's an H5 hex socket. An H5 hex socket. Oh, that's what I need. H5 hex socket. That's what I need. Well, I removed it anyway, but I used this instead of a hex socket. H5 hex socket. Where can I get an H5 hex socket? H5 hex socket. I was at not the bit, I want the H5 hex socket. I don't know. No, I don't want the hex key or hex bit. I want the hex socket. Let's see, 12 piece. Maybe this is what I need. That might be it. No, I don't think that's it. That's a hex bit. I might have it. No. Hex bit socket set. Hex Allen Torx. This might be it. No, it's not right. Or maybe this is right. Maybe. Shit. Let's see if this. No, the other sides are for a tool, right? I don't want that. I can't believe they don't have. H5 socket. I can't believe it. Don't want that. What about this? No, no, no. What about this? This might be it. But that's Torx. Hex socket. Hex socket. Socket set. Hex socket set. $32 piece. Oh, this might be it. But they don't show. Metric. Half inch. No, 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 I don't want that. How come it can't be found? This might be it. not it. Might be it. No, they all look the same size. Damn it. Can't believe it. Hex socket set. Hex wrench. Maybe I have to put the word wrench. Hex wrench. Wrench. No. No, no. This is frustrating. What the hell? What's going on here? Look at this. No. I don't get it. Oh, that's wow. This is crazy. I can't do it. I can't find it. I don't want Allen socket. Oh gosh. H5 hex socket wrench. Not bit. I can't believe it. It's incredible. What's going on here? How do I find this? Double hex socket set. What does that mean? Visit site. Maybe I have to go to that tool store. Incredible. Would that work? Sizes. Doesn't say. Those are just double hex socket set. What does that mean? That's not it. That could be it. Maybe that's what that is. Maybe this one will work. But I don't want to get all of those. Anyway, this is frustrating. But I wanted to show you. I don't know. Where's my... Is this mine? Oh. There's guy. This is my video that I uploaded a day ago.
Oh. Place the device face down on your ESD safe surface. Tweak the base spacing.
I did that.
Gently pry off each of the non-skid feet.
I did that. Oh, but...
Alcohol to eliminate the adhesive residue.
No, I didn't do that. But I used my fingernails.
Remove the 4 screws securing the cosmetic plate.
Okay, so I took it off. See, there it is. There's the parts that I took off. I even took this off. This is a cover after you put that on. Oh, and this is the heat pipes that cover this and this. I'm not sure which one is this. If that's a GPU or a CPU. I got one more to take off. Oh man, what is that? Oh, that's the mirror image. Oh, that's the NVIDIA. That's the GPU. Wow. And I made some mistakes. I can't tell. I started taking off the screws. Shoot, now I don't know what this is. And I shouldn't have done that. Okay, let me do something here. The screws, a long one, fell behind the fan. So I can't focus on this. Wait a minute, I'm going to, I got some alcohol. I bought some alcohol today. I look for, when at Best Buy I bought some paste, thermal insulation paste. The best one they had. Oh, sorry. I'm cleaning the, I think that's the CPU. I can't, I'm trying to read it. I can't read it. Shoot. There's nothing written on them. But all I know is that this has to be the GPU because it says NVIDIA. Now you can read it. Let me turn it around. I guess I should. Maybe you can read it that way. Oh boy, what is it? There it is. So can you read it? NVIDIA? I'm gonna see if I can. Oh, whoa. Whoa. This, I can't focus. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, can you see that? I can't focus. See if I put it further away, if it helps. No, man. Wow. Okay, here it is. I'm trying to clean those. Those look like pins, but they're bumps. They're metal bumps. Maybe they're all like grounds. Maybe they're like pins that they use to. So I think all of this is the chip, and they use those pins to anchor it to the motherboard, maybe. So they're probably just grounds, I'm thinking. But anyway, let me go back this way. So I was looking at this. This is what I think is the GPU. Now up here is something else. I can't read it. SRKH5. Oh, that's me over there. Unscrewing the plate, right? I made some mistakes. Okay, so the result from yesterday was that I was able to, well, I think today, no, yeah, yesterday I removed this. Oh, I should clean this with alcohol also. Let's see. I got the alcohol here. I'll just squirt some on this rag. I'm just gonna. I didn't get too much on it. Maybe I'll need more. Take the insulator off. So I bought new insulator paste, and I'm going to use that on top of this plate. So, and it's it was their most expensive insulator, so it can make good contact, and it should remove the heat very well. Now, I suppose they had 3 different insulators starting at like $10, and then maybe 14, and I got the $19 one. I think it was. That was at Best Buy. So I got the best one. So I cleaned it. So that when I go to put it back on, it goes. How's it go? It goes something like this, right? But before I put it on, I'll clean this too. Before I put it back on, I'll use this paste. Let's see if I can find it that I bought. Paste. Uh-oh. I lost track of the paste that I bought. Oh, here it is. I bought this paste. That's the best one that they had at Best Buy. Out of 3 options, I bought the most expensive one, so it should perform much better than the other 2, right? The specs indicate so. So I trust them. So that's how I'm gonna go. This screw, I guess it's the same size as the. Did I leave it in the car? Yeah. Okay, so when I took this off, So it's got instructions where it says to take this plate off and unscrew a set of screws through here, and take this, and let's see what else. Oh, by taking the screws off, well, by taking this plate off, maybe I can disconnect and reconnect the ribbons. Well, in here there's at least 3. There's this one, and there's 2 of these. So maybe it's likewise in here will be 1 on this side and 2 on that side. So I'm just thinking of disconnecting and reconnecting, because somebody in a forum said that by doing that it fixed the display problems, but who knows, the problems might lie inside here. So I'm gonna stop this video and work a little more on it, and then I'll report back. I don't know when I'll report back. How far along will I get to before I report back? But hope you get an idea of did I have it small? Sorry, my face was too big. Hope you get an idea of what's involved in disassembling the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 Plus. Correct? Yes, that's the model. So they improved it over the first generation. They used a solid state drive, 1 terabyte, and that's a good one. And they used what else did they improve on? Oh, hopefully the memory, the RAM. Oh, this must be the RAM. They increased the RAM to 32 gigabytes, right? So that means each one of these is 8. Can you tell if it's 8? Does it say 8 gigabytes there somewhere? SK Hynix. X248. Can't tell. Do you see the number 8? The middle number ends in 8, does it? No. Didn't get the same number. Okay. But in the instructions, it says to... I may have to take this off. I think taking this off is so that I can get this off, right? So I'll have to take these 3 maybe, at least, to get this off and this, so that maybe I can unplug this one and this one. Oh, I have to take this off too. This, I don't want to take off too much, so I'm thinking of not unplugging these. I'm gonna assume these are okay. I'm gonna go attempt to remove that. So maybe I should leave it on. See if I can kind of show what I'm doing. Let's see. There we go. Can you see? Yeah, should be able to see, right? I don't know. But what I'm going to try to do is take this plate off, but I'm not sure how you take it off. If you just yank it off or something, or is there a trick to it? Seems on there pretty good. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you unscrew. I see the screws. You unscrew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm thinking that by unscrewing that, this plate will come off. Let's see, which one should I use for that? Let's see if this fits. It's pretty much all Torx. This is size 8. Let's see if 8 works. No. Maybe I need a smaller size. It's large. Let's see what this one does. Man, this one's pretty small. I guess that's too small. So this is 4, 3. Damn, this one's large. 15. 5. I think 5 will do it. Yeah, 5 is doing it. Let's take it. I hope this is right, because I don't see how you can take that off. It looks pretty solid. Can you see what I'm doing? Let's see if this helps. Whoa. Whoa. This one came out. There's about 10 of them. There's this one, that one. There might be more than 10. There's this. Oh, wow. This takes off this piece. What's this do? I don't know what this is. But I'll put... There's 3 screws for that. And then there's this one. Is that another one? Wow, right next to it. That looks like copper foil. Oh, screwing. These are empty of screws. My back. I need more light. I should turn the... Do I have a portable light around here? I could plug in something. Oh yeah. Oh, here's something. And I had all kinds of tools around here. Oh, I wonder if this light's on. Oh. Nothing. Damn. Oh, shit. What about this? Where's the... Oh, shit. What's this? Oh, man. Doesn't have a light bulb. What's this? Can't even get it out. I guess I'll have to do without light. And I can't move this. I can't move this monitor too much. I could, but I wonder if this. We only have maybe 3 more left to take out. 3 or 4. Oh, this part looks like the same as the other one, but just mirror image. Oh. And there's the... Oh. I think this is the last one. Supposedly, this should help me take that chrome frame off, or plate, whatever you should call it. Oh man, I had all kinds of tools somewhere else. This is... Oh, there's 2 more screws that I gotta take off. Right there inside that plastic. They're the same size, I hope. I think taking these, I think this will do it. Oh, look, it slides back. Something that's keeping it from going too far. Maybe something's in there holding it. Maybe some cables. Oh yeah, there's a cable there. Should I take this? Should I take this off? This is weird. What is that? I should check. Oh, I have it upside down. I should check. I should check the service manual, see what it says, or it says how to take it off. I haven't seen a video. Maybe I did see one that showed how to take it off, but it didn't do a good job, I don't think, explaining things. I think it was this one. Let's see if it... Okay, here.
The back of the display. You should hear an audible click.
Yes,
Rotate the
I
hinge
did
cover
that.
back, and then press on the bottom of the cover to release the bottom clips. Use your T6 Torx driver to remove the 12 screws securing the hinge bracket to the display.
I'm using T5. I did that.
Remove the left and right antenna covers, and then carefully peel up the copper tape from the antennas.
Oh, okay.
Position the antennas so that the metal plate can be lifted without snagging them, and then lift it off. Pull up on the black tab on each of the 4 display cables to disconnect them.
There's 4 display cables.
Finally, while supporting the display with one hand, remove the 9 T8 Torx screws securing the hinge to the display.
No, I think I'm not going to do that. I might, but I don't think I should.
Once those are removed, lift the hinge off the display. To begin reassembly, position the hinge over the display, aligning the screw holes on the back of the display with the holes on the hinge. Support the display with one hand to raise it slightly, and then install the 9 screws securing the hinge to the display. Align each display cable over their connectors and press all of the 4 cables into place. Place the hinge plate back into place, making sure the antennas aren't under it, and then align the hinge plate with the notches on the hinge. Using your T6 Torx driver, install 2 of the hinge plate screws in the positions shown. While positioning the right antenna over its screw holes, place the right antenna cover into place, and install the 2 screws securing it to the display. Repeat this procedure for the left-hand side. Reinstall copper tape over both antennas, and then screw in the remaining 4 screws, securing them to the display. Place the stiffening bar into place,